People have been telling me, Satish, you need to go ahead and, look a little chill on the videos, wear some caps, wear some hats. So that's why I'm wearing a hat today, okay, this time. So maybe should I wear it like this? Hey, what's up, folks? I'm gonna teach you how to make some money with whiteboards. Is this good? Or should I do it like this? Hey, folks, I'm gonna show you how to make money selling whiteboard videos. So let's do that right now. So what is a whiteboard video? So whiteboard video is, you've seen it, right? You've seen it all the time. So these are videos that look something like this.
He has a good view of the exits, and even then, he's too on edge to really enjoy it. At home,
So
things are the way they used to be.
you've seen these, right? So these are these videos that that a lot of people use to explain a concept, a business concept. Let's say I have a product, right? And I need to explain to people what does it do and how does it work, and to explain that, I might want to, instead of saying, hey dude, my product does this, I might want to tell a story and teach people, tell people that, hey, this is how the product works, and this is what it does, and how it can help you. So that's the whole point of whiteboard videos, okay? And people love it. People love it. And I'm going to show you how you can make videos like this without owning an iPad, without even knowing. I don't know how to draw, folks. I don't. But I can bet you that I can create a video like this in 5 minutes and make 500 bucks. Let me show that to you right now in this video. If you haven't subscribed, guys, this video is a series called 1,000 Ways to Make Money. So my goal, and one of my goals in life, is to teach you guys 1,000 ways to make money. I'm on my episode 29, 30. I have a long way to go, right? And I want you to be a part of this journey, and you can do that by hitting that red button. That's it. It's free. Let's move on. So you know what whiteboard videos are, right? And what skill do you need? You don't need any skill. You don't need to know how to draw. What you do need to know is learn how to use a software. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple of these software. So what you need to do is get on Google and search create whiteboard animation. You'll find all of these products. I'm going to show you Doodly. This one. All you need to know is just type up, it'll just create it for you. That. Sparkle, I like this one. You can also use Render Force. I haven't used this one. I have heard good things about it from my friends, but I haven't actually used this one. But I have used this one, Sparkle, and I also have used Doodly. Both of them will let you create a whiteboard video just like that, okay? Just like that. And you can do it. Simple as that. Cool. So you know what it is. You know how to create one. Trust me, guys. If you're like, Satish, I don't know how to do it. I want to be able to do it. Trust me, okay? My dad, who is like 50, 60 something, he made one. I was like, let me see. If he can do it, I'm going to teach my friends over here on my YouTube channel. If not, I won't bother. I showed him what to do. Then he did it. Simple as that. Now, you know what the video thing is. You know how to create one. Where do you find customers? Simple. You're going to head over to Fiverr. There's a bunch of people. Let's type up, okay? It shows up right there. It shows up right there. You click on it. Simple as that. And once you click on it, let's see. There's so many people selling it, okay? And they're all making money, okay? If they're all making money, you should be able to make money as well. Just make sure to see how they're selling it, how they're proposing it, okay? And make sure to have lots of examples as just to show people around. You might also want to do initially sell it for a cheaper price, because that way you can have a bunch of reviews, right? And then up your price, okay? You can also head over to freelancer.com or upwork.com. Both of these sites there are people literally saying, hey, here's $200 to make a 15-second whiteboard videos, and you can do it. It's simple as that. It's simple, super simple. Anybody can do it. Cool. So you got the site, so you know where to sell. Okay, cool. Now that as well. I have one more way. Okay, I'm going to show you one more place. Okay, this is very cool. You're going to head over to Producthunt.com. So Producthunt.com is a site where startup owners who are brand new, they post their business. It's a brand new business. Okay. If you go through them, you'll realize they're brand new and they need a whiteboard video because they need to be able to explain their business, whatever it does. For example, let's say Trace right here. I don't know what this company is. I'm going to click on it. And let's see, they might already have a whiteboard video. Usually they do. Oh, what did I tell you? I didn't even know about this. So these people need it, okay? Most of them, they don't have it. So find these people, right? These are all people who started a business, okay? They need a whiteboard video so they can explain it. So they can explain it to their customers, okay? Their investors. So contact these people and say, hey, let me build you a whiteboard animation video. Sounds fair? High five. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and hit that red button so I can show you more videos like this, okay? Let's move on. And how much do you charge, okay? Start off. So here's what I recommend. So 15 seconds, $100. 30 seconds, $150. You see where I'm going? So every 15 seconds, I think you should charge about $50 when you're starting out. Now, as you get better, as you improve, you can up your price to whatever you want. But as far as I've seen, 1 minute video, usually normal, right? You don't want to make a video that's like 5 hours or 10 minutes too long. It's usually under 5 minutes, right? So a minute of video, $100 sounds pretty fair to me. Okay? So yeah, so that's how you can actually make money selling whiteboard videos. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I've made more videos on my series called 1,000 Ways to Make Money. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. On the comments, tell me, ask me questions. I'll answer them to you personally. Thank you so much.